AC1300 dual-band Wi-Fi extender for PC, desktop and laptop. Archer T3U provides 2.4G, 5G strong high-speed connection throughout your house. Archer T3U also provides MU-MIMO, which delivers beamforming connection for lag-free Wi-Fi experience. USB 3.0 provides 10x faster speed than USB 2.0, along with mini and portable size that allows the user to carry the device everywhere. World's #1 provider of consumer Wi-Fi for 7 consecutive years, according to IDC Q2 2018 report. Top reviews from the United States. Great bargain, super high speed. We got fiber optic internet installed to our office to get rid of the cable company internet. They promise download and upload speeds of almost 100 Mbps. When we did a speed check, it was only about 10 on the download and 2.5 on the upload. Dreadful. The tech guy said it was my Wi-Fi card in my 6-year-old computer, which wasn't built for the super high speeds allowed by fiber. He recommended these, so at $17, I bought 2, one for each computer. They were super easy to install, and even though my computer only had 2.0 USB ports, not 3.0 USB, I was still able to get 95 Mbps on both the download and upload speeds on the very first speed check. What a bargain, and so easy to install. Highly recommend.